Well, hello everyone, this is Chase Swift, and in this video I want to show you how to place a image ad using this great image onto Craigslist. It's a very catchy image. It really describes it. It's just eye-catching. So I want to show you how to do that, and I'm going to do it slowly and methodically so that even a new person should be able to duplicate this entire process very easily. So I'm going to go down and grab my Firefox browser, and I'm already at a website that has the instructions, and that's what you're probably at. You may have gotten emailed this from your partner, your sponsor. You may have found it on a Facebook group for My Partner in Profit. Anyway, this is the link, and you're now going to be able to follow these instructions that I'm giving to you. So I'm going to have a video here. I just had a video here to place so you can see there's a video. These are the instructions I'm going to give you. So you want to follow the video. Now you may want to open up the video in a second tab. That way you can have two tabs. So let me show you. When I get the video here, you're just going to click on it and it'll open up. And this is not my video, so don't be confused. But you will have potentially two tabs, so you can switch back. You can watch my video. This is not it, but you can go back and check the instructions and go to a video. So using tabs will be very important to make this easy, because you can go to the instructions, read the instructions, and then maybe watch a video too, or do the step that you need to do. Okay, so I'm going to close this tab because really this video is not mine. I'm just using it as a sample. I'll go ahead and close the tab. So you're going to watch the video. Okay, we got it. Now the next thing is this graphic. I had that on my desktop earlier, but you will want to download it. You do that by clicking here. Just click once and it will give you this option, a dialog box, to download a zip file. The name of the file is 90-day internet income challenge.zip. Write that down. You're going to have to search for it on your computer. A lot of times it goes to your desktop. Okay, so you're going to want to look for the 90-day internet income challenge zip file. Now some people, it'll go to your downloads folder, which could be in your My Documents. So look in My Documents, and then in your downloads folder. Sometimes it appears there. Whatever the case, you can do a search on your computer for the 90-day internet income challenge.zip. Okay, and you can find that file, and then you can double click it. I'm not going to do that here, but you could double click it and we'll unzip, and what you will have is the resulting image that will look just like that. Okay, this is a sample. I don't want you to use this image because I want you to download it. You must download this image to your computer. Okay, so when you get this dialog box, just click OK and save the file. Save it if you can to your desktop. Otherwise, look for it in My Documents in your downloads folder. Okay, worst case, do a search for it and get your sponsor to help you if you need help. Okay, most of you should be able to do this. It's really not that hard. I will not do it because I've already done it. Okay, so I don't need to. I'll click cancel. So once you have your download done and you have it unzipped, you're going to have that image. And again, it's just like this image here. It's going to be an image that you can see on your desktop. Okay, now the next thing you will want to do, as I bring back my Firefox browser, is download a program called Jing for free. Okay, you're going to download it for free. You can download it by clicking on Jing right here. Just click once. It should open up in a new tab, and you're going to go to TechSmith, and their program is called Jing. Okay, now if you need to understand a little bit more, you're going to watch my video here, but if you want to, you can look at the features and see that yes, you can grab a screenshot of a picture or anything like that and put it and share it instantly on the internet. You have to have the picture on the internet to share it in a Craigslist ad. Okay, it does it instantly. Okay, and this is free. Okay, so go to the free version. Okay, and whether you have a Windows machine or whether you have a Mac computer, pick the right one and download it. It's very simple to download. It'll help you and walk you through the process. You will have to put in an email address just for a free account. It's totally free, but it's so simple that you really need this program. Okay, so just download one of the two and you'll be set. Okay, now I'm going to close this tab. In my case, I have chosen to have Jing run up the top in my menu up here. Some of you on a PC, you will have a yellow sun. Now let me show you the difference. Let's go to more. This is that yellow sun. It's kind of their logo of their program. Now I'm going to change my preferences so it's not in the menu bar. You may want to have it in the menu bar. I'm not sure if a PC can do that, but I'll take it out and I'll show you where it will be. I'll click the check mark for done. On a Mac, it likes to reside in the top corner. It's kind of the sun. Okay, so on a Mac it can appear over there and it can just be there, and then you just put your mouse over and it kind of activates. Okay, so you can see it. Now some of you may choose, like I did, to have it set up on your menu bar. So I like checking that and it'll appear right up in my menu bar. I'll click done. And now it's appearing in my menu bar. Okay, we'll come back to that. So get Jing for free. Why? You need to put your image on the internet for free. Okay, you must upload your image using Jing for this to work. It's one of the best free tools, and it's easy and it does it so much. Okay, so very easily. Okay, so now I'm going to minimize my Firefox browser to show you how to put your image up on Jing. So I'm going to minimize my Firefox browser. Now here is my image. You've already downloaded it. You've unzipped it and you've opened it, and it's going to be on your computer and you're going to be looking at it like this. Okay, I'll just move over to the side. Now in my case, I will go to my menu for Jing. I will choose capture. Okay, and what capture does is give me my crosshairs so that I can select the image. Okay, and it went a little wacky, notice that, so I'll redo it. You can redo the selection down here. If it makes a mistake, it sometimes does. So what I want to do is just the inside of this image, just like that. Hold down with your mouse, start from the top left. Okay, hold down, I'm holding down my mouse. And then scroll down to the bottom right, kind of get it where you want, and then let go. Okay. Now I'm going to do it again in case you have Jing set up a different way. So I'm going to go to set it up as the sun in the corner. Okay, now watch this. It may be the sun in the middle on the PC. That's where you're going to see it once it's running. So make sure it's running and then click the sun. Now on a Mac it'll reside on the corner in the top right. Now the little ray of sun you want is the capture with the little crosshairs. It kind of makes sense, doesn't it? If you need some history or preferences, you can do those here. But I'm going to do the capture, and I get the crosshairs again. Okay, so whether it resides up in the top or if it resides on the center, on the right, just choose it that way. And then I'm clicking and holding down, dragging across. I can select that picture, okay, that desktop. I just want this part, and if you make a mistake, go down to redo the selection. You can redo it, okay, if you want a little bit closer or maybe whatever, and you can see your crosshairs so you know what you're getting. Okay, just drag down, holding down with the mouse, and then when you get down to this corner, release, and you're done. Okay, now this is the easiest part. All you have to do is click capture an image. This will capture an image. It'll take a screenshot of this little image. So just click it once. Okay, see how cool that was? It is now a separate image. And there are some editing tools that you have. Some of you may want to put a little, arrow here, maybe an arrow here. Doesn't matter. Okay. that might attract someone to your opportunity. You can change the color of things, and you don't want to go crazy, but you know, you could put some different colored options here. I don't know. Okay. If you make a mistake, just undo, which is Control Z on your keyboard. Control Z will undo them. Okay. So don't worry about that. You can experiment with things. You can also undo things right here or redo. Remember, I can bring them right back. Okay. And I can also undo any editing I want. So very handy, isn't it? Okay. Now you might want to change the name, maybe to banner. Okay, something like that is good. And you could do banner 1, banner 2, or you know, you get the idea. You could do this several times. Maybe you're going to have 3 versions. You'll see which one works best. Now in this case, I'm going to call this banner just by itself. Okay, maybe banner 1. Okay, banner 1. I'm going to click the share via screencast. This is free. It's going to put it up on the internet for you for free. Make sure you're clicking on these 3 little arrows. It means kind of send it up to the internet, right? Just click that button. And you'll get this little window, and it starts sending up your image automatically right to the internet. Okay? Now it's done. Okay, so it's in memory. The link, your capture has been sent, and the link is ready to be pasted. It's in memory. So just remember that as I come back. Okay, click OK. I'm going to come back to my Firefox browser, bring that back up, because now I've got Jing set up, and I uploaded my image to Jing. So now I'm ready to do some HTML. But what I want to do is have like a notepad handy. Okay, and I got a little mess here, so let's clean that all up. Notepad on a Mac looks a little different, but you could use Notepad on a PC. Okay, so the next step is you've got that image uploaded. We need to open that up in a new tab. Okay, we need to see it. Okay, need to have you see it. So go to the new tab. Okay, it's a little plus sign on your browser. You don't want to leave your instructions, do you? You want a new tab. So click the new tab. You'll get a brand new white window. It's ready to go on the internet. Okay, now you already have it in memory. And if you're using Firefox, which I strongly recommend, you can click paste and go. How did I do that? I right click up in the address bar. This is the website. Okay, it's blank. So where do you want to go? Well, we want to go look at my image. So you can use the right button on your mouse, click in the address bar. You have to be in the address bar. Then go to paste and go. It'll put the web address in there, and boom, there's your image. Isn't that great? Okay, and if you need to, you can just click it like that, and it's actually good to do that. Click it once because you need this link. Okay, so let me back up. If you're at this is a very short link, very short. It's screencast with a little link, right? What you need to do is click once right on the image. Just click once, and you'll get the white background, and this is the image just kind of sitting there. It's online, it's on the internet. You now need the web address of the internet image. It's right here. Click once on Firefox especially, and it should highlight the whole web address, this whole web address. You need all of this. Okay, when you get that selected in blue, keep your mouse right on it, and then right click and choose copy. This time you need to copy that link. Okay, so copy the link. Now I'm going to go back to my program, which is my text editor program, and I'm just going to go right click, paste. Actually, right click, paste. And notice this link, even though it's all scrunched up, these are the same. Up here, see how it ends in 00242.png? Okay, it ends right here. So this is the entire link. Very important. Okay? Now you can return back to your browser. You need to get back to the instructions because you need some HTML code to place on your ad. Okay, this is how you place your ad. It's very simple, but you need all this code. Now I want you to come into this box with your mouse, click with a right mouse button. Okay, and you're going to get select all. Select all. Right click, let me do it one more time. Right click in here and choose select all. It'll go all blue inside. That's perfect. Okay, make sure it's all blue. Move your mouse back in, and anywhere in the blue area, do another right click, and this time choose copy. The first time was select all, the second time is copy. Okay, you want to get all that code, even down here, everything. Okay, this is the code for your ad. Okay, now next you want to go back to your document, your notepad. You might come down a couple returns so that you're not close to this link, and just come down here and choose paste. Okay, now there's some a little bit of work you have to do, and I'm going to spread this out. Get it however you can see it best. It does not matter. It will vary as you scrunch it up, and it'll do different things. Okay, so the first thing is, remember the link you have. Remember when you copied this? And if you forgot, you can copy it again. It's a good thing to do. Copy, and we'll go directly back to my program, the notepad, and I want you to see entire image link. You need to double click it. So just double click and it'll go blue. Okay, watch this again. Double click right on that. Put your mouse right on that word and double click so it goes blue. Then put your mouse right on it again and choose paste. And you're going to put the web address that you have up here for this image. That's going to be right in there. Craigslist needs the link for that image. Okay. Step 2, there's only 2. The username for your My Partner in Profit account. Now if you're not sure, go ahead and log in, and I'll do that. So I'm going to open up a new tab because I'm not sure about my username. You got to be certain about it. So I'm going to go to the My Partner in Profit Challenge. Okay, again, the web address mypartnerinprofit.com/challenge/login.php. That's the web address. Okay, your sponsor probably will send this to you as a help. You should bookmark it as well. Whatever you sign into, whatever your username is, that's the username you need to copy. You don't really need to log in. You can just enter it in, and maybe it's highlighted like that, and then you can just choose copy. Okay, and I could type it, but sometimes it's good to copy. I'll go back to my notepad. Remember, I got username highlighted, and I did that because I put my mouse right over the word username, and I double click. Okay, if it doesn't work, just do it again. Double click, and once you get username highlighted just like that, it'll be perfect right after the equal sign, right before the ampersand. Just right click, choose paste, and it puts your username right there. This is important. There you need 2 important things. Number 1, you need your username right there. Now it already has the tracker on it. It's going to tell you your sign up came from Craigslist automatically. Okay, so I did that for you. You have got to put your username in there correctly. Okay, so you're gonna paste over username and just paste in your MyPip username. Whatever you log into with, that's your username. Okay, the second very important part was the link to your image. And again, you go back here, you get your image, and you copy that link. It's going to be a long one. Don't worry. It's long, but it's okay. Okay. Now let's go back to our instructions, because really we have our ad. This right here is your ad. Okay. That's your ad. It'll do everything. So next, or last thing, is go to Craigslist. You can click on this link right here. It'll open up in a new tab, and you'll be at Craigslist. Okay. Now you need an account, so you need to sign up. And if you don't have an account, just click on My Account, If you don't have one, you'll have to set one up. And you can do that right here at the bottom, sign up for an account. Now I already have an account, so I'm going to enter that in, and I'm going to log in. Okay, you have to log in. You'll see some other ads that I've been experimenting with, but I'm going to show you how to do a new one. Okay, so you may have missed that step. If you are logged in, you're going to see Craigslist up at the top. Click that. That'll get you to wherever you want to go. Okay, so I happen to be in northern Colorado, but I could pick anywhere in Colorado or different cities, US cities or US states, Canada. If you want to place an ad in the UK, you can do Craigslist worldwide. Okay, now I will have some fun, and let's see, let's go to a different city. I guess I'm going to go to Houston. Okay, so if you want to advertise and target Houston, just click on Houston. You'll see Houston is right there. Okay, so once you pick your city, scroll down, go to services, and you want to place a small biz ad, SMBIZ ads. Okay, just click there once, and you'll see a bunch of ads. Okay, this is where you're going to post your ad. The top right, click post. Just click it once. Okay, now you have to choose a category, so choose small biz ads. Just check this little circle button once. It'll automatically go to your ad. Okay, so this is where you put your code, and this is where you put your title. For every ad you post, you should vary the title. Okay, so give it some thought and come up with a different title. Now I've used some that talk about free internet business and things like that. So how about work with, oops, sorry, I have to click in there. Okay, let's do work with Fortune 500 companies for free. Okay, I don't know, it could be alluring because we do work with Fortune 500 companies, things like DirecTV and Discover Card and all these things, right? Okay, so there's my title. That's all you need. Work with Fortune 500 companies, free internet business. Vary it up. Just do something different. You'll find some that work better than others. Okay? Then you have to go back to your notepad. Remember, I've got my username. Very important. If you mess this up, you're not going to get a sign up. Make sure there's no space. None. Right there. Okay? And then you're going to have your link to your image. That's all you have to do. Make sure you leave everything else. Grab all of this with your mouse. Make sure it's all highlighted. You have to have all these brackets all like that, and just choose copy. That's your ad right there. Most of it I did for you. You just have to do your username and your link for your image. Then come back to your description and right click and choose paste. It'll be long and wide. That's fine. It looks fine. Just leave it just like that. Okay? And then just go down to continue. Now if you have done this correctly, you will see your headline. Whatever you typed in for the headline will be there. Okay, and here is your image. You can just scroll down, okay, and you can see the image. It looks beautiful. It's online too, by the way. Now give it one click. Just click. You need to pretend that you're a prospect. Click it once, as I will do right now. Okay.
Hi, I appreciate you making it to this website.
So it worked. It took me, and if you look at this web address, mypartnerinprofit.com challenge. There's your username. Remember, you have to get it correct. If that's not your username, you've made a mistake. And then it has a tracker at the end. That's all you need to do. So you've got to check it. And I did, and it works. So you know you're going to get people to your 90-day challenge signups site. Okay? So I'm going to close it. I've already tested it. Now, you've got your title, you've got your beautiful image, and it's opening up in a new window and it's going to your website. Okay, so now just go down to the bottom and click continue. and then Craigslist will set that up. Now, normally it will ask me to fill out a CAPTCHA. For some reason it didn't. That's because I posted some other ads, and it's okay. Okay, so there's your ad. Looks great. Your headline, fabulous. Keep mixing it up. Different people respond to different things. Okay? And if you want to check your link, that'll be available in just a little bit of time. But that is how to target an ad on Craigslist on any city in the US, Canada, or the UK. So again, everything is in the instructions here. I've gone through this. You have your video, you have the download graphic. Okay, you're going to unzip it. You're going to use Jing. You're going to upload the image so it's on the internet. That way Craigslist can see it. You're going to use this code. You're going to change your username, and you're going to change your image link, and that's it. If you get good at this, you can place ads all over on Craigslist, and even other areas like Backpage, things like that. So enjoy. Best of luck to you. This is Chase Swift. I hope that helped a lot.